Once upon a time in the bustling city of Prospera, there lived a man named Oliver who firmly believed that money could buy happiness. Oliver was not born into wealth, but he had an unwavering conviction that financial prosperity held the key to a joyful life. One day, Oliver stumbled upon a mysterious antique shop tucked away in a narrow alley. Intrigued, he entered and was greeted by an elderly shopkeeper named Mr. Hawthorne. The shelves were adorned with peculiar items, each seemingly holding a story of its own. As Oliver perused the shop, his eyes fell upon a curious, ornate box. Mr. Hawthorne, noticing Oliver's interest, explained, "This is the happiness box. It is said to bring immense joy to its owner. However, its price is not measured in coins but in the experiences and choices you make." Intrigued and excited, Oliver eagerly purchased the happiness box, convinced that this was the tangible key to the happiness he had always sought. Upon opening the box, Oliver discovered not gold or jewels, but a set of instructions. It read, "Invest in the well-being of others, cultivate meaningful relationships, and find purpose beyond wealth." Determined to unlock the promised happiness, Oliver embarked on a journey to fulfill these instructions. He began by sharing his newfound wealth with those in need. The more he gave, the more he noticed a warm glow of satisfaction radiating within him. Inspired to cultivate meaningful relationships, Oliver started spending quality time with his family and friends. He organized gatherings, supported their dreams, and found solace in the laughter and camaraderie that money alone couldn't buy. As Oliver delved deeper into the third instruction, finding purpose beyond wealth, he explored philanthropy and volunteer work. He realized that contributing to a cause greater than himself brought a sense of fulfillment that surpassed any material possession. News of Oliver's transformation spread, and the people of Prospera admired not just his financial generosity but the positive impact he was making on the community. The once skeptical Oliver began to see that happiness wasn't confined to the walls of his grand mansion or the shine of his expensive possessions. One day, as he revisited Mr. Hawthorne's shop, the old man smiled knowingly. "You've discovered the true wealth, young man. It was never about the money, it was about what you did with it." Reflecting on his journey, Oliver realized that the true magic of the happiness box lay in the choices he made and the joy he brought to others. The box itself was just a catalyst for a transformation that had occurred within him. In the end, Oliver understood that money, when used wisely, could indeed buy happiness, but not in the way he initially thought. It wasn't about accumulating more for personal pleasure, it was about the positive impact he could have on the lives of those around him. Prospera, once a city fueled by materialism, witnessed a shift as Oliver's example inspired others to rethink their own pursuits of happiness. The happiness box, now a symbol of philanthropy and community, became a beacon for a new understanding, that true fulfillment came not just from personal wealth but from the shared prosperity of all. And so, the story of Oliver and the happiness box became a legend in Prospera, a tale told to remind everyone that the currency of happiness was not in the coins one possessed but in the choices one made to enrich the lives of others. Please like and subscribe.